We'll guide you through how to fix no sound problems on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as perhaps you're trying to go and watch a video, talk to somebody, or just go and listen to something and you can't because there's no sound. So we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, do just try adjusting the volume. So you want to come onto the side and go and find the volume rockers and press the upper one. You're going to go and make sure that it's all the way to the top. What you can also do is go and press the three dots at the top of the bar, like so, and you'll go and see the different volume options. So you can go and see, if you tap on it, that's ringtone, then you've got media, you've then got notifications and system. So you can go and adjust these to your liking, like so. I want media all the way up, and then go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to do is go and drag down from the top, and you want to go and find the sound option at the top here. At the moment, this phone's on loud, so it should be working. But if yours is set to vibrate or silent, that could be why it's not working. So what you want to do is make sure it's showing that, and you change it by tapping it. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, you want to go and check the app volumes, because often apps are going to have their own volume control. They may be completely muted or just turned down. So what you want to try doing is checking the app settings for the sound and volume and adjust it. That obviously varies depending upon the app. The next thing you want to try doing is dragging down again, and you want to go and drag down again, and we need to go and find the option for Bluetooth, as you can see at the top here. At the moment, mine's turned off, as I already have, but yours will be turned on, and your phone is connected to a device and trying to go and output the audio through there. So what you want to do is come and turn it off, and you can then go and press done, and now go and see if it's solved. Hopefully it is. What's also worth checking is if your phone is currently plugged in, it may be the case that the sound is potentially trying to be outputted through there. So what you can do is go and unplug it and then go and see if that goes and solves it. I've had that happen to me before. The next thing you want to try doing is just making sure your phone isn't trying to go and put it through the headphone jack, the audio or sound. So what you want to do is you can go and confirm this, because when they're plugged in, just as an example here, we adjust the volume and I go and press those three dots. You go and notice that we've got the headphone icon there. If I go and unplug it, it'll go and change. So if you're seeing the headphone icon, that's a sign the phone thinks headphones are detected. What you need to do is clean that port out so it doesn't think the headphones have been detected. You can use something like a cotton bud or something else soft to go and get in there and go and give it a clean. Then what you can try doing is you want to go and do a restart as well. So you can go and tap and hold the side power button. As well as this problem, as a general practice, it's always a good idea to go and do a restart if it's not working. As you saw there, you simply tap and hold the side power button. You then go and get the options, and you can press restart, and you press restart again to confirm your decision. When it comes back on, hopefully the problem's solved. You can try making sure the volume's turned up again. And what you can do is press those three dots at the top of the bar and make sure you're not seeing the headphone icon. If you still are, even though the headphones are not plugged in, you can go and get an app to go and force the sound to come through the phone speakers and not the headphone port. Next, swipe up and you can open settings. You want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps. Go to the top right and press the three dots, and you want to try resetting the app preferences. Press reset to confirm your decision. Go and see if that solves the problem.